Old systems hum in the walls, quiet drains on our time and our pain. Storm courts, stacked files, long halls, families fading in the fluorescent gray. Cold, criminally thin little screens, telling stories that flatten our names. We carry our kids through the blue lit beams, trying to shield them from invisible chains. We step from the storm into bridges of light, from losing our ground to a shelter in sight, from hold your breath to breathing again, from fighting for scraps to the four winds. Reprise this nation in mercy and grace. Year 6, 7, turning hearts in this place. We're crossing from lost to wide, quiet peace. Jesus, you lead, and the fractures relieved. And the fractures relieved. Then a whisper runs under the noise. Prevention, protection, a different way. Calm animals free with their own small joys. Green fields growing where the locusts say. Year 6, 7, simple new start, not a sword, but a shield and a door. One small shift in the gears of the heart. Families held before they hit the floor. We step from the storm into bridges of light, from losing our ground to a sheltering sight, from hold your breath to breathing again, from fighting for scraps to the four winds. Reprise this nation in mercy and grace. Year 6, 7, turning hearts in this place. We're crossing from lost to a wide, quiet peace. Jesus, you lead. No more lives spinning lines and in fear. We so early care where the pain used to spread, where the numbers were stacked, now the future is clear. Faith in our bones, not just ink on a thread. From courthouse steps to porches at dusk, from burned out towns to streets that sing, we rise up steady in covenant trust for simple winds, and the lost ones cling.